Did you know that you can choose your own flowers to make a beautiful custom bouquet at ShopRite? I'm recommending choosing 3 of your favorites and combining into one bunch. So let's identify a few basic flowers you can choose for your design. Chrysanthemums, or mums, come in 3 different styles called pom-poms. When petals go into the center like that, it's called a cushion pom. When it has an obvious center like this, it's called a daisy pom and looks like a daisy. All the others that have unique colors and shapes to their petals are called novelty pom-poms. Also in the chrysanthemum family are the spider mums. That's 1 large flower per stem. Now, carnations are a real favorite because they last so long and they come in so many colors. Here's a trick. If your carnation is pretty tight and you need it open for display, just simply fold back some of the petals and you get a nice open bloom. When there are multiple carnations on a stem like this, it's called a mini carnation. Talking about another very long-lasting cut flower, this is the Alstroemeria, or Alstro. You'll want to look for nice, dark, healthy green leaves to make sure you're getting a nice, fresh flower. Hydrangeas, which come in white, blue, and green, are going to need a lot of water to make sure that they keep looking nice for a long time. Here are the lilies. The Asiatic lily, like this one, comes in yellows, pinks, oranges, and whites. If you want your Oriental lily to be more open for your arrangement, you're going to have to purchase it many days in advance because it opens so slowly, but then it stays in bloom a very long time. Sunflowers, it's going to need a lot of water to keep these petals opening into these bright, cheerful yellow discs. Here's baby's breath, which is used as a filler. That keeps your arrangement looking nice and bulky. An elegant flower is the spray rose. Multiple blooms per stem and in a lot of beautiful colors. After you've chosen your 3 bunches, you want to make sure that you have greenery to help out fill your arrangement. You can use something like this, which is Baker or Leatherleaf. This ruscus will last for weeks. And here's some eucalyptus that will add some nice height to it. But whichever ones you use, make sure that you use a clean vase. Be sure to use the preservative in fresh water. Keep your flowers away from heat and drafts, and you'll enjoy your blooms for as long as possible.